Hey, good morning, guys. I was unable to find a tutorial on how to replace burned out tag lights on a 2011 Nissan Quest. I think this goes for 2011 through 2017 Nissan Quests. All right, so what you've got under the hatch here is a light here, light here. Well, we got pulled over last night and said the lights are out. So I went and went to Walmart and got new lights. Well, the first thing I did was try to wiggle this piece of trim out, this black trim. I tried to wiggle that out, didn't do no good. So I said, okay, maybe it didn't wiggle out that way. Maybe this silver piece here, maybe the silver piece. So I wiggle, and if you can see in there, it broke. So this is not the way. What you do, there's two of these little pull pins right here. There's one there and one there. And then after you do that, right here in this little hole is where your thing is, to close it. So you pull that out, let it fall to the ground, just like that. And then try to find it. Okay. And then that hole, this whole piece right here, just pops out. All right. And after you get them popped out, you look up. And right here is bulb number 1. Right here is bulb number 2. So we stick our little hands in here and try to video at the same time with the sunshine in our face. And does it turn clockwise or counterclockwise? Or does it just pull out? At the rate I'm going this morning, I'm sure I could break something else. Okay, it's turning. These are probably factory. All right, you turn it counterclockwise. And focus, camera. And there's your bulb. And your bulb size is a 168. And then on this one here, we're getting shot. Take it. Boy, that is tight. Turn it counterclockwise. Come on. Let me put my strong hand on you. It's like 30 degrees out here this morning. My hands are cold, so it's making this even harder. It takes some oomph. Just a little more. Jesus. Let me put my other hand on this thing. Trying to show you guys what's up. See, right there, twist it. Comes right out. Place your bulb, put it back in. All right, well, I'm gonna put this thing back together, and hopefully this video comes in handy so that you don't end up breaking stuff like I did already this morning, and get you your tag lights back in order so you don't get another fix-it ticket. Y'all have a good day. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Bye.